Namaste everyone. Myself Dr. Harish. Today's topic of discussion is Rutu Haritaki. So welcome back to my channel AI PGT Edge with Dr. Harish. Today we will discuss Rutu Haritaki concept. So as you all know that Rutu Haritaki, it is related to the Haritaki Sevana according to the Rutu with a specific anupanas. Without wasting your time, we will enter into the Rutu Haritaki concept. So here you can see in Rutu Haritaki two terms, that is one Rutu and second one is Haritaki. Now we will know what is meant by Rutu and then what is meant by Haritaki. So here you can see Rutu means according to Acharya Dhallana, Rutukala Paryaya means he says Rutu is nothing but the Paryaya of Kala. So here you can call Rutu as a Kala. So it is a synonym of Kala. Okay, Rutu is a synonym of Kala. And then according to Ashtanga Hridayakara, he says two masa comprises one Rutu. Okay, two masa comprises one Rutu. That means he says Rutu means the masa. So this is the definition of Rutu according to Ashtanga Hridayakara. Now coming to the Rutu Charya. So it is a related term of a Rutu. Okay, so Rutu Charya. So here in Rutu Charya, two terms are there, Rutu and another one is Charya. So Rutu means, as we all know that Rutu is a Kala, and then Charya means Charya, Charanam, Vartanam. Charya, Charanam, and then Vartanam. So here Charya means Charana or Vartana. So here simple meaning is the activities. Okay, activities. So this is the Charya, Charana, Vartana. Okay. So here after knowing the Rutu and Charya meaning, we will see what is actually Rutu Charya. Okay. So here you can see Rutu Vishesha Avashascha, Ahara. So Ahara is important, Vihara is important, Ahara, Vihara, Sevan is important, and Pratipadanartham Rutu Charya. Okay, so here Acharya says Rutu Vishesha Avashascha means Rutu, in a Rutus, Vishesha, Ahara and Vihara, Pratipadanartham means those are told or to be followed is called as Rutu Charya. Okay, so this definition is nothing but the Rutu Vishesha Avashascha. So Vishesha karmas like Ahara Vihara Sevan. So Ahara Vihara Sevan means Ahara Vishesha Ahara Sevana, Vishesha Vihara Sevana are told, Pratipadanartham Rutu Charya, are to be followed. Okay, so these are told in the Rutucharya. Okay, Rutucharya means Vishesha Ahara Vihara Sevana according to the Rutu. So that is called as Rutucharya. So here after knowing Rutu and Rutucharya terms, now we will know what is Haritaki. So as you know that Haritaki is one of the Triphala. So this is the drug and it is one of the Triphala. In Triphala, three drugs are there: Haritaki, Vibhitaki, and Amalaki. Okay, so now we will focus on the Haritaki. So according to Acharya, he says Yasya Mata Grahen Nasti Tasya Mata Haritaki. He says Yasya Mata Grahen Nasti Tasya Mata Haritaki. So wherever Mata is not present, or when Mata is not present in home, that is Graha. Yasya Mata Grahen Nasti, in Graha, when Mata is not present, at that time Tasya Mata Haritaki. At that time, in place of Mata, Haritaki acts as Mata. Okay, so this is the simple definition of Haritaki. So, and it is one of the important aspect of Haritaki according to Acharya. Now we will see what is the importance of Haritaki. So here you can see Patya and Agra. Okay, so Agra Sangrahaniya Dravyas in Sutrasthana of Charaka, Acharya Charaka says it is Patyatamam Agram. So Haritakeenam Patyatamam Agram. So Haritaki is a Patyatama Dravya. Okay, in a Patyatama Dravya. So Patyanam Agram. So in a Patya, Haritaki is the best drug. Haritaki is the best drug or best drug to follow. Drug to follow for a Patya Karma. So this is one MCQ you can expect in the exam. Okay, you need to remember. Okay, now we will see what are the Rasapanchaka of Haritaki. So it is having Pancharasa and it is having Madhura Vipaka. Okay, in Pancharasa specifically, it is having Kashaya Rasa Pradhanata, and Lavana Varjita Pancharasa. Lavana Varjita Pancharasa. Okay, and then so here according to the rule, this Kashaya Rasa should convert into a Katu Vipaka. Okay, according to the rule, it should convert into the Katu Vipaka. Instead, here this Haritaki in Vipaka Avastha, it will convert into the Madhura Vipaka. So this is the speciality of Haritaki. That's why it is considered as the Rasayana Dravya. Okay, that's why it is considered as the Rasayana Dravya. Now we will see the karma of Haritaki. This is the special karma which is told by Acharya Bhava Prakasha. So he says in Karma chapter, in Karma Adhyaya, he says for Anulomana Karma, Haritaki is best. Haritaki is best. So in AIA PGET, one MCQ might be framed from this Karma chapter of Bhava Prakasha. Here you need to buy at Karma chapter Dravyas. Okay, Karma chapter Dravyas. And last and important aspect of Haritaki is, so Bhava Prakasha, he explains 7 types of Haritakis. 7 types of Haritaki. So it is also one of the important topic for the AIA PGET. Okay. Now we will see what is actually Rutu Haritaki. Rutu Haritaki. So Rutu Haritaki means Haritaki Sevana according to Rutu. Okay, Haritaki Sevana according to Rutu. The speciality is here you have to use the Anupana. Okay, in a specific Rutu, specific Anupanas are told. So that is called as Rutu Haritaki. Okay, so Rutu Haritaki means here Haritaki is a standard that you have to take in every Rutu. But in each Rutu, different Anupanas are told. In a different Rutus, different Anupanas are told. So those you have to consume in a respective Rutu. Okay, so that is called as Rutu Haritaki. Now we will draw the Rutu Chakra, standard Rutu Chakra. So this standard Rutu Chakra you can apply in your whole preparation of AIA PGET. So here the standard Rutu Chakra we will divide into 2 halves, upper one half and lower one half. So here you can see. So in this, so upper one half I will name it as a Uttarayana and lower one half I will name it as a Dakshinayana. Okay. So if you see a Rutu Charya chapter there, you can see this Rutu Chakra. Okay. So now we will divide this upper half into 3 divisions. Okay. 3 divisions and even lower half into 3 divisions. So in upper half I will label them with the Rutus. Okay. Here you can see Shishira, Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemanta. So this is the order you have to remember. This is the order you have to remember. So the same order I will follow in this standard Rutu Chakra diagram. Okay. So here I will label. So it is Shishira Rutu, Shishiro Ata Vasantascha, Shishira Rutu, Vasanta Rutu, Shishiro Ata Vasantascha, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, and then Hemanta. Okay. Shishirovata Vasantascha, Grishma Varsha, Sharad Hemanta. Okay. Shishirovata Vasantascha, Grishma Varsha, Sharad Hemanta. Okay. So this is the standard chart. Okay. Now here we have to make out one trick to remember the different Anupanas of Haritaki in different Rutus. So now I will teach you how to make a trick. So first we will see Shishira Rutu. So in Shishira Rutu, what Anupana should be consumed with the Haritaki. Okay. Here as you can see, so Pippali is there. Okay. So, and then here in a Hemanta Rutu, Anupana is Shunti. Okay. So here if you see the bala of this Hemanta Rutu and Shishira Rutu and Hemanta Rutu bala are Uttama. Means bala in these two Rutus will be Uttama. Okay. So that's why we will read both one by one. Okay. Hand in hand we will read. So now you can see here for Hemanta Rutu I have given Shunti and for Shishira Rutu I have given Pippali. Okay, so here how to make a trick to remember Shunti in Hemanta Rutu and then Pippali in Shishira Rutu. Okay, so here this Hemanta, it is having 2 plus coldness. So this is a trick I want you to remember. So Shunti, it is having, Hemanta, it is having 2 plus coldness. And then Shishira Rutu, it is having 3 plus coldness. Okay. So if you compare Hemanta Rutu, it is having 2 plus coldness and Shishira Rutu, it is having 3 plus coldness. Now the drugs, Shunti, here it is having 2 plus Ushnata. Okay, Shunti, it is having 2 plus Ushnata. Now this Pippali, it is having 3 plus Ushnata. Okay, it is having 3 plus Ushnata. So here, how to remember the Shishira Rutu for Pippali? So Shishira Rutu, it is having 3 plus here. That's why the coldness Shitata is 3 plus in Shishira Rutu. That's why what I did added Pippali, which is having 3 plus Ushnata. Okay. So here in Shishira Rutu, people loves to drink Pippali tea in Shishira Rutu as it is having 3 plus Ushnata. Okay, and for same for Hemanta Rutu. Here Hemanta Rutu, it is having 2 plus Shitata or coldness. For this, here in this Rutu, people loves to drink Shunti tea as Shunti is having 2 plus Ushnata. So here the plus these will be balanced. Okay, so this is the trick to remember the 2 Rutu Anupana. Okay, 2 Rutus Anupana. So what trick we made to remember the Haritaki in Shishira Rutu? So in Shishira Rutu, 3 plus coldness will be there. Because of that, Pippali, it is having 3 plus Ushnata. That's why people loves to drink Pippali tea. Okay, and then in Hemanta Rutu, it is having 2 plus coldness. That's why Shunti, it is having 2 plus Ushnata. So that's why people loves to drink Shunti in Hemanta Rutu. So this is the trick to remember the Anupanas of Haritaki in Hemanta Rutu and Shishira Rutu. Now we will move on to the next Rutu, that is Vasanta Rutu. So here for Vasanta Rutu, the trick is Vasante Vamanam. So this is the standard term. Okay, Vasante Vamanam. So in Vasanta Rutu, what I will do Vamana Karma. For Vamana Karma, what I will give Madana Phala. With Madana Phala, I will add Madhu as Anupana. So this is the important term here. So this Madhu as a Anupana is the important term here. So here this Madhu is used as the Anupana for Haritaki in Vasanta Rutu. The trick is Vasante Vamanam. For Vamana Karma, I will give Madana Phala. With Madana Phala, I will give Madhu as Anupana. So Madhu as Anupana, this can be applied to the Haritaki or Rutu Haritaki. So in Vasanta Rutu, Madhu is the Anupana for Haritaki. Okay. So next Rutu is Grishma Rutu. So here you can see in Grishma Rutu. So in Grishma Rutu, sun rays are severe. So intensity of sun rays is severe. Okay. Under the sun rays, who are working, or the people who are working and under the sun rays, they will get more Shrama. Okay, they will get more Shrama. To divide the Shrama, to get rid of Shrama, so what my mother will do? So this individual, when he goes to his home, he is having Shrama. Okay, this individual, he is having Shrama. So for that, when he goes to his home, what his mother will do? So mother will give jaggery with water. Jaggery with water to reduce the Shrama. To reduce the Shrama. Okay, so this is the thing here. So Guda is Shrama Hara. Guda is Shrama Hara in nature. That's why Guda with the water is given in a Grishma Rutu. So here the thing is Guda, you have to remember. So this is the trick to remember the Guda in a Grishma Rutu. Guda in Grishma Rutu. Now we will move on to the next Rutu. So here Varsha Rutu. Varsha Rutu. Varsha Rutu is nothing but the rain water. Rain water. Varsha Rutu is nothing but the rain water. Okay. So here the trick to remember Saindava Lavana. So salt. Okay. So salt, what it will do? It will keep the water, means it attracts the water. So salt, what it will do? It attracts the water. So you can check. So if you keep this salt in an open environment, okay, there it start to leak out the water from it. So here salt is having water. Okay, it is having avinabhava sambandha with water. That's why we made a trick that Varsha is nothing but the rainwater. Rainwater is kept, or rainwater is having avinabhava sambandha with salt. So with the salt, we made a trick to remember the Saindava Lavana. Okay, Saindava Lavana is the Anupana for Haritaki in Varsha Rutu. Now last Rutu is Sharad Rutu. So Sharad Rutu. So Sharad. So with this Sharad, the trick is Sharad Pawar. Sharad Pawar is a cricketer. Okay, he is a cricketer. So he always loves to eat sugar. He always loves to eat sugar. So this is a trick to remember the Sharad Rutu. Okay, so we have made a trick to remember each Anupanas in each Rutu for Haritaki. Now we will move on and revise again the same thing. Here you can see Varsha Rutu. So with Varsha Rutu, what trick we made? Rainwater. So it is a rainwater. Water is having Avinabhava Sambandha with salt. That's why we have remembered Saindava Lavana. Next, Sharad Rutu. So with Sharad Rutu, we made a trick to remember a cricketer whose name is Sharad Pawar, and he loves to eat Sharkara. So this is the Anupana for Haritaki in Sharad Rutu. Now for Hemant Rutu, the trick is it is having this Hemant Rutu, it is having 2 plus coldness. That's why I used drug which is having 2 plus Ushnata, that is Shunti. Okay, here people loves to drink Shunti Kashaya or Shunti tea in Hemanta Rutu. Okay, now in Shishira Rutu, it is having 3 plus coldness. 3 plus coldness. That's why I choose the drug which is having 3 plus Ushnata, that is Pippali. So that here people loves to drink Pippali tea. Okay, now in Vasanta Rutu, so Vasante Vamanam. So this is the trick. Vasante Vamanam. For Vamana Karma, I will give Madana Phala. With Madana Phala, I will give Madhu. So this Madhu is Anupana for Vasanta Rutu for Haritaki. Okay. Now last one is Grishma Rutu. So for Grishma Rutu, it is having heavy intensive sunlight. Heavy intensive sunlight. That's why people will get Shrama. People will get Shrama more fast. So here for Shrama Harana Karma, Guda we are giving, as Guda is having Shrama Hara Karma. Shrama Hara Karma. Okay, so these are the tricks we made to remember the each Anupanas in each Rutu for the Haritaki. Now once again we will revise Varsha Rutu, Saindava Lavana, Sharad Rutu, Sharkara, Hemanta Rutu, Shunti, Shishira Rutu, Pippali, Vasanta Rutu, Madhu, Grishma Rutu, Guda. Okay. With this, we conclude today's topic. Revise this properly and try to integrate with the previous concepts. That's the key for AIA PGT. If you have any doubts, you can reach out through the contacts detail provided. Do support the channel by liking, sharing and subscribing to AIA PGET Edge with Dr. Harish. Even you can follow my Insta handle at the rate AIA PGET Edge with Dr. Harish. Thank you, and we will continue in the next session.